Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Spotify's error after updating the app. If you guys are having trouble with that, don't worry, I'll tell you guys how to fix it. First of all, check your internet connection. Try switching between data and mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if that loads your app. Next, if that does not work, go ahead and open your settings and then search for the app you're looking for, and then search for storage and then scroll down for the app you are looking for and click on the offload app option. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps document and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. And yeah, now if that also does not work, you'll have to go ahead and delete the app Spotify from your phone and reinstall it with all the latest files and bug fixes. I hope this video helped you guys on how to load your Spotify after updating it. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button, and do not forget to comment down on my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys